Good morning class 6. This is your GK subject. Today in this video we are going to start chapter 2 in your GK book. Chapter 2 is about the topic Uttarakhand and Jharkhand. You know na, Uttarakhand and Jharkhand are the name of two states in India. Okay, so let's read about these two states. Okay, at first read the yellow box. There are 29 states and 7 union territories in India. Each state has its own significance, resources, tourist attraction, language and culture. So, in India, there are total 29 states and 7 union territories. And each states Total 29 states. Each state has its own significance, resources, tourist attractions, language and culture. Let's read about the state Uttarakhand. This state was carved out of the state of Uttar Pradesh on November 9, 2000 and became the 27th state of India. Its capital is Dehradun. The state Uttarakhand is separated from the main state Uttar Pradesh on November 9th in the year 2000 and Uttarakhand became the 27th state of India. The capital city of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. It is located on the foothills of the Himalayas and shares international boundaries with China in the north and Nepal in the east. The state Uttarakhand is located on the foothills of the Himalayas and shares an international boundary with the country China in the north side. And in the east, there is West country Nepal. On its northwest lies Himachal Pradesh, while Uttar Pradesh lies to its south. On the northwest side, there is Himachal Pradesh, and in the south there is Uttar Pradesh. Okay. So, the state Uttarakhand is located on the foothills of Himalayas and it shares international boundaries with China in the north side. And in the east side there is Nepal. On the northwest side there is Himachal Pradesh and on the south there is Uttar Pradesh. It is divided into Garhwal Himalayas and Kumaon Himalayas. It is divided into two parts. One is Garhwal Himalayas and two is Kumaon Himalayas. Many famous rulers ruled on this state. The Kanishka, Samudragupta, the Pauravas, Nawab of Awadh and the British. Okay, many famous rulers ruled on this state Uttarakhand. The rulers are the Kanishka, Samudragupta, the Pauravas, Nawab of Awadh and the British. It is regarded as the land of gods or Devbhumi, as various holy places and shrines such as Kedarnath, Badrinath, Rishikesh, Haridwar, etc. are found here. है ना? As many rulers ruled at this state like Kanishka, Samudragupta, Pauravas, Nawab of Awadh and British also, and there are also holy places. है ना? The holy places are Kedarnath, Badrinath, Rishikesh, Haridwar, etc. The two important rivers in this state are Ganga and Yamuna. The two important rivers in Uttarakhand are Ganga and Yamuna. Nanda Devi is the highest peak of the state, है ना. Nanda Devi is the highest peak of the state. So what are the two important rivers in Dehradun in Uttarakhand? In Uttarakhand there are two important rivers. One is Ganga and two is Yamuna. Nanda Devi is the highest peak. Nanda Devi is the highest peak of this state, that is 7,816 meters. 7,816 meters. The famous rulers of this state are Kanishka, Samudragupta, the Pauravas, Nawab of Awadh, and the British. And the holy places in this state are Kedarnath, Badrinath, Rishikesh, Haridwar, etc. And the two important rivers in this state, Ganga and Yamuna, and Nanda Devi is the highest peak, that is 7,816 meters of this state. Now turn over the next page. The famous tourist attractions are Corbett National Park, Valley of Flowers, Rajaji National Park, Nainital, Missouri, Almora, and Dehradun. The famous tourist attraction of Uttarakhand are Corbett National Park, Valley of Flowers, Rajaji National Park, Nainital, Missouri, Almora, and Dehradun. The state flower is Brahma Kamal. The state animal is the Himalayan musk deer. The state bird is Himalayan monal, and the state tree is burans. Okay, the state flower of Uttarakhand is Brahma Kamal. The state animal is the Himalayan musk deer. The state bird is Himalayan monal, and the state tree is the burans. Okay. Now see, the people of Uttarakhand speak Garhwali, Kumaoni, English, and Hindi. The people of Uttarakhand speak Garhwali, Kumaoni, English, and Hindi. The main folk dances of Uttarakhand are Langveer Nritya, Varadanati, Harkaval, Jhara, Chanchir, and Cholia. Okay, the main folk dances of Uttarakhand are Langveer Nritya, Varadanati, Harkaval, Jhara, Chanchri, and Cholia. The main festivals of the state are Kumbh Mela, Ardh Kumbh Mela, Gachar, Uttariyani Mela, etc. The main festivals of this state are Kumbh Mela, Ardh Kumbh Mela, Gachar, Uttariyani Mela, etc. Okay, limestone, dolomite, gypsum, soapstone, etc. are some mineral resources found in this state. So, what are the name of the mineral resources? Limestone, dolomite, gypsum, soapstone, etc. are some mineral resources found in this state. Tourism and hydroelectric generation are the main industries. Tourism and hydroelectric generation are the main industries in this state, Uttarakhand. The famous Chipko movement started in Chamoli district of this state. The famous Chipko movement started in Chamoli district of this state. So, where the famous Chipko movement started, that is in Chamoli district in this state. It is the yoga capital of the world. It is the yoga capital of the world. Tehri located on the Bhagirathi river near Tehri in Uttarakhand. Tehri located on the Bhagirathi river near Tehri in Uttarakhand is the highest dam in India. So what is the highest dam in India? Tehri Dam, that is located on the Bhagirathi river. Okay, Tehri Dam is the highest dam in India that is located on the Bhagirathi river near Tehri in Uttarakhand. It is also the 8th highest dam in the world. In the world, it is the 8th highest dam. Okay, so what is the highest dam in India? It is Tehri Dam, that is located on the Bhagirathi river near Tehri in Uttarakhand, and it is also the 8th highest dam in the world. Okay, so students, you have to read 5 or 6 times properly about the state Uttarakhand. You have to know about the state properly.